Are you tired of your phone opening links in random browsers? Don't worry. Today, I'll show you how to make Google Chrome your default browser on your Android phone. So let's check now how my links are opening. If I tap on a link from a WhatsApp conversation, you see that the Opera browser opens. So I do not wish this to happen. I want Google Chrome to be my default browser. How can I do that? First, unlock your phone and go to Settings. You'll usually find the Settings app on your home screen or in the app drawer. Scroll down and look for Apps or Apps and Notifications, depending on your device. Tap it to open the app settings. Next, look for the Google Chrome app. If you don't see it right away, tap the See All Apps, and you should find it there. Once you're in the Chrome menu, look for the Browser app option. Tap it, and a list of installed browsers will appear. Select Chrome from the list. Now, whenever you open a link, it will automatically use Google Chrome. Before you start using Chrome as your default browser, make sure it's up to date. Open the Google Play Store, search for Google Chrome, and tap Update if the option is available. And that's it. You've successfully set Google Chrome as your default browser on your Android phone. Now, browsing the web is seamless and just the way you like it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.